Oh yes, legends, we are live. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. We're getting the volatility right now. We just got a quick rejection from the weekly level. However, we have the CPI coming out right now, and it is exactly as they predicted. 2.9% here on the inflation rate. We are getting that volatility. The price is moving to the upside. We're getting stock market here with a little bit of a pump. XRP leading the way, of course, and the S&P getting a pretty nice move to the upside. Legends, make sure to absolutely destroy that like button on your way in, because we are going to go through the pure technical analysis. Make sure to smash it up. I'm not sure how many people are going to be live, but yeah, we just too much volatility. Be careful with any trading setups, okay, at the moment, because we are right now literally exploding with this huge candlestick. I've been stopped out from a short position here from this range because double triple tops was an option to get into a short. However, I've been compounding to that long that was done a couple of days ago to try and make the most as possible from that long position. Maintaining the long, we are moving to the upside. Stay cautious right now. We're breaking above the weekly. We're getting the volatility on the weekly now. We don't like to trade on the news coming out, okay? We do have some strong resistance. Lots of liquidity being swept right now. Look at the amount of liquidity that we did have. It was high probability that we were going to get that leg to the upside here, legends. And the main reason why was the amount of liquidity, right? I had that feeling that the news is going to come out, and instead of getting a dump this time, we're going to get a pump. So we are sweeping all of this liquidity. Look at the amount of liquidity, over $1 billion here at the 98,600. So with this major move to the upside, when we refresh this right now, we can see that all of that liquidity is basically gone. We're building up the liquidity to the downside right now, as you can see. So is this breakout sustainable? We're going to be analyzing the situation, guys. We need a cool off, all right? For the moment, it's looking pretty damn bullish. Remember, if you are interested in trading, legends, you got Weeks, okay? Weeks is an awesome platform, okay? You do have the lowest fees down below, okay? You have the lowest fees and also an incredible bonus. The link is down below, guys, if you want to start trading on Weeks in a matter of minutes. Just an email and a password and you are on. So we are breaking out from here. Now the question is, how powerful is this breakout going to be with the news, right? It's a news reaction move. We are getting the DXY dollar index getting a little bit of a dump, getting a little bit of a move down with the news coming out. Okay, so that is good. We're getting an instant reaction on the stock market to the upside. Also an instant reaction on Bitcoin and a lot of the cryptos. Cryptos are doing pretty damn good at the moment with this little pump. Is this pump sustainable? That is the question, because we have been going up pretty nicely throughout the last 2 days, right? Throughout the last 2 days, we have been going up pretty nicely. Let's analyze the situation here all together. Make sure to destroy the like button. Let me know if you can see me, if you can hear me. I think you can, legends. Let me just double confirm here, because I might be speaking on my own here, and we don't want that. We don't want that. Let's go right away through the comment section. Say hello to the amazing people here. Look at the liquidity right there. We just had too much liquidity above $97,000, right? 97.5. We had a lot of liquidity, and now when we refresh this, all of that liquidity has been swept, right? So let's do a refresh here, go through all of the exchanges and just see how we just sweeping up all of that nice liquidity, all of those shorts getting liquidated or stopped out, right? And now we're just breaking through. So this major weekly level is not really doing much, right? It's not a great moment to speculate on a swing failure pattern or a short based on the news. We've only got the news coming out, which is having a instant, explosion reaction, right? So we don't want to do any local trades till we actually see a bit of a consolidation, right? This level is actually holding pretty nicely, right? We are getting above the level, so there's no major resistance. And just because we have that news-based pump, we're just breaking out here, legends, okay? So we need to enjoy a little bit of this kind of price action. Now, what I want to see here from Fibonacci retracement, right? Golden pocket was the one providing, right, from the high to the lows. We're breaking golden pocket. So we can assume, right, that there is a chance, as long as we stay above that weekly level, right, which is going to be, it's going to be challenging. The weekly close and open from the previous 2 weeks, okay, it's going to be challenging. If we do reject, I would consider taking profit, because we've had an excellent move, guys, throughout the last 2 days, right? What an excellent move here throughout the last couple of days. Very, very, impulsive. No big major pullbacks, okay? So I am expecting some kind of pullback happening, even though we do get this volatility. There is lots of liquidity building up here. I do not trust this pump to go to all-time high, right? It does look like we're going to get some choppiness. For the moment, we're above the weekly. We are above the golden pocket. So the 7/8 Fibonacci is going to be the next interesting zone, right? The next interesting zone will be the 7/8 Fibonacci for me, right? No, not interested in any trading setups here. No shorts to be taken. I don't want to long, of course, this pump, because we know with the news, it can be a pump and dump. It can be a dump and pump, right? Very, very difficult to get into a trade on the news, right? Should I jump into a long position here, right? What if we do end up rejecting here, coming to sweep up the lows, right? It's very, very much a possibility. And if we do jump into a short position, we are above major resistance at the moment that for the moment can be support, right? So we could just extend here a little bit. So the best option right now is to maintain chilled, enjoy the price action. Let's analyze the next big major levels and the different probabilities that could happen for a trading setup, right? We just hit that level of interest that was mentioned yesterday throughout the news, right? Throughout the news. And we don't want those levels being hit throughout the news. Make sure to smash up the like button, legends. How many likes do we have? Okay, I'm going to go through the comment section today. Yes, we're going to do a little bit more comment section today, because yesterday I was so focused on the price of Bitcoin, okay? And also the last 2 days, not going through much of the comment section, okay? So you have to forgive me there. You have to forgive me. And today we're going to do a bit more comment section, okay, legends? Let's go. 𝗬𝗐𝗂𝗿𝗫, vamos. Let's go Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping. Dario, good friend from Spain. Unknown users, news coming soon. Don't forget to set leverage to 100x and go all in, says unknown user. Yes. Devil streams spaced out, so I'm actually here on time for once. Sup legends. Lossa, how are you doing? Jeremy 2.9. Yes, sir. Dump is gonna be epic, says 𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗿𝗫. Let's see. Andy, my Mandy. Anaximanda, how are you doing? Valerie, aloha, good morning. Ahmed, not on 2 week. What news? The news was CPI. News was CPI, okay, inflation rate, and that came out 2.9, which was the forecast, all right? It's the same. It's basically the same as the previous month. So nothing much has changed. Nothing much has changed, but we are getting a bullish reaction, right? We are getting a bullish reaction based on the inflation. It hasn't gone down. It hasn't gone up. Make sure to grab your cup of tea or your cup of coffee or whatever you want to drink. And we're going to be analyzing Bitcoin, guys, the major levels and understanding this pump, right? Are we going to moon? Are we going to waiting for 85K for entry, Andy? Is it still possible? It's a level that is without a doubt a very good level, right? We've been longing on Monday the daily level reaction, right? We still got that daily level on the chart. We were very much aware, guys, you got the classic panic. Everybody was, running around like, chickens with no head, right? Because of this head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder, neckline, my goodness. Chill out, guys, chill out. We got some support. Fake outs are just the classic scenario for the price of Bitcoin. So if you entered a long, you're taking profit, you can compound into that long, be very defensive, right? And just maximize the profits as we're moving up. That's what we should do for the moment, right? So waiting for $85,000 to get into a long position or to buy Bitcoin, right? To buy Bitcoin, I have to say, I've been buying for years now. I mean, this is not a major range. If I do have a lot of cash coming in, right, this month, well, yeah, I might allocate a little bit of that into Bitcoin. But overall, I'm happy with my Bitcoin holding. So But for trading, yeah, without a doubt, a long position here was very much an option as we were doing the live stream, guys. This was the level of interest. We needed the price action to get above that daily level to sniper a long position, right? Stop loss at the lows. You know, this was a relatively far away stop loss, but when you look at it today, it's pretty damn good, right? I did take most of the profits on the way up here, but compounding a little bit more and just to maximize profit, just in case we go to all-time high, which I don't think is going to be the case, right? Just because this move at some point, you know, has to have some retracement, right? It has to have some retracement. We're going to see some at some point. Okay, make sure to take those profits because at some point you're going to see these lows being swept at some point, right? So overall, we are struggling at the weekly. We're kind of getting above it, getting below it. We have swept a lot of short liquidations. Big volume here on the news event. We're just dancing around at that weekly level, right? Which is kind of the value area high, if I'm not mistaken, of this entire range, right? Or no, value area high is slightly above of this range, potentially, right? We've got value area high from this range. So we've got two ranges here, the overall larger range, and we got the smaller range right over here. For the moment, we're at the weekly and the value area high. So this is resistance, right? Let's keep it that way. The price is attempting to move above this level. We have swept most of the liquidity. We got more liquidity at $94,000, $95,000 than at $99,000 and $100,000. There's more liquidity to the downside. So now is the moment to say, yeah, are we going to successfully move up here and continue to the upside? Because what I do like is the 7/8 Fibonacci. 7/8 Fibonacci from the highs here to the lows is sitting exactly where we have the value area high of the entire range of November, December, and January. The value area high is sitting where we have the 0.78 Fibonacci. That's 99.7K. Will we manage to get an extension move all the way up there before any big retracement, any big choppiness, and then retracement down? That is the thing. As long as we're trading at the weekly, above the weekly, right? Because we've had this with the news event, we're above the weekly at the moment. So I'm not, not confident either in longing or either in getting into a short at the moment, as we just got that release of the news. And the stock market is having a very, very strong bullish reaction. Look at this. What a massive candlestick here to the upside after the news event, legends. So let's get some levels ready and some different scenarios, because longing or shorting right now after this pump for me is not an option. Okay, I would have liked a possible short attempt if we were not getting to this level while we were getting the news. All right, we don't trade the news, guys. News is volatile. It could just extend another $1,000 to the upside. It could reject very aggressively. We just don't know. For the moment, we are above the resistance, okay, meaning that higher is definitely possible, right? As long as we do still stay above, then we're looking for higher possibly, right? Now, this zone was epic for short positions. You got some quick little scalp movements. I was in a short position here. I protected and got stopped out with the movement up. I've been compounding from the long position. So for the moment, no shorts taken. No shorts taken. All right, so let's go right away. Has the bull run started now? Can you check 𝗕𝗶? 𝗕𝗶 confirmed they are investing $2 million in 𝗕𝗶. Super bullish, says Charles. Thanks for the super chat, my man. 𝗕𝗶. Well, what about 𝗕𝗶, right? 𝗕𝗶. Has the bull market started? 𝗕𝗶. Oh, are you serious? 𝗬𝗎 confirmed they are investing $2 million in 𝗕𝗶. Is that this animal, this raccoon, or I don't know what it is, right? It is a meme coin. It did get an epic rally throughout December. Nice retracement in December, in January. It is consolidating. It does look like that the selling pressure is getting exhausted. XRP is doing absolutely phenomenal. That's absolutely crazy to see XRP almost at $3 right now. Almost at $3. 𝗕𝗶, what can we say about 𝗕𝗶? Well, 𝗕𝗶, ticker symbol of 𝗕𝗶. We do have it on MEXC here. What can we say? I mean, this is a meme coin, even though VCs are going to invest 2 million. What can we say? This had a pump throughout December, correcting here throughout January. Not a crypto that I would be interested in, if I'm honest with you, okay? Let's go. Good morning, Ghost. Joshua, you must be new here. Welcome. We're in the middle of the bull run, Charles. Yeah, you would arguably discuss that we are in the middle of the bull run, right? We had so many people calling for much lower levels just a few days ago, right? And the scary head and shoulder scenario, we were very much aware that this could be a liquidity grab and a fake out. And we are interested in certain levels of support for a reaction to get into a long position, right? So we're already up $10,000 in 2 days, guys. $10,000 in 2 days. That is incredible. Exactly $10,000 right now as we speak. We went to $89,000. We're almost at $99,000, right? Things can change very, very quickly, right? The amount of bearishness that we had the last few days, and it was pretty curious to see, you know, some of the big guys on YouTube as well calling for $80,000, right? $75,000. Well, surprise, surprise, this came to support liquidity grab, guys. How many times do we actually talk about this, right? Where you come and test a low on the higher time frame, major move up. You come and test a low on the higher time frame, major move up. I mean, it was still about $4,000 or $5,000, right? When you test some overall higher time frame lows and good support, it's a classic trap. We did have someone in the comment section saying that he shorted at $89,000. How crazy is that? Shorted the low. Not good. Not good level to short, guys. Not a good level to short overall, as we can see. We were very much interested in longing, guys, and longing here, the reaction of the daily. And that was also based on Elliott wave theory, right? Not only the confluence, we were longing based on either a flat to happen here and then come down, or either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished, and we're going to get a larger bounce. This could have been the end as well when we consider an A, B, C. We got 5 waves here. If you're long in here, take profits, but overall leave some open and add to the position being defensive with your stop loss, right? Squeeze max profits as you can here with this pump. So next level, as we are above the weekly, we're just breaking out. What I am concerned is that we haven't had any major pullbacks, okay? There's very, very shallow pullbacks. Bitcoin doesn't want to pull back, okay? Very, very shallow pullbacks. We're coming up here to the value area high of the entire range, okay? We're going to come up to the value area high of the range. And what I like about this level, it's another level of resistance. That's going to, you know, that's the only zone where I would consider a short, right? This is why with the news, we're above the weekly. I'm not going to jump into a short or a long here. I'm not longing here the absolute highs of the pump, right? So no short, no long as we are above resistance. My next level of interest, waiting patiently. Either we reject from here and then I'll look for a short, or we just look for the reaction at the next level, right? Where we could hit it, get one instant pullback, or we could hit it, pull back ever so slightly, create a double top scenario, right? And then roll down. This is the level of interest. Just like this level was the level of interest, I was in a short, got stopped out at break even. Got stopped out at break even right over here. Being defensive just before the news. If you're trading the news, guys, just before the news, you need to be very defensive, right? You know, this is a classic level where you're going to see people shorting, right? This was an excellent level to start thinking of shorts. However, on the movements down, start being defensive with your stop loss. Whoever's in a short position right now with no stop loss or adding to position, we probably could be trading out $100,000 in the next coming hours. So, will we get a reaction or will we just fly from here? So be very, very cautious with your risk management. If you're in the wrong side of the market, you just want to be out and be in favor of the right side of the market, right? I'm out of the short here from this consolidation. I ain't going to hold a short in the negative. I don't know when the price is going to stop. So what you want to do is be very defensive, right? We've got the news being bullish, having a bullish reaction. Let's enjoy the price action just going to the upside. And my next level to even consider a short position, I'm not considering shorts, guys. I know you love trying to short the top, right? Hey, look at me. I longed the bottom, right? I longed the bottom. We needed that reaction. My long was at 90,400, give or take. I didn't long at 89,300 or 89,500. I waited for the reaction. I waited patiently to get the reaction at my level of interest. So my next level of interest is the biggest level of resistance that we have on the chart. It's the value area high of the entire range. Okay, it's the 7/8 Fibonacci from the highs of last week to the lows of this week. It's right there. So this is going to be an interesting zone, and we're just $1,000 away from it, right? We're just $1,000 away from it. We already pumped a couple of $1,000 right now in the last few minutes. So you're going to wait patiently. Or, you know the deal, I'm not going to short the top. If we do reject from here, that's going to be looking very interesting. What I will be looking at is the possibility of this being a wave 5. Okay. Same scenario as yesterday. However, the price is very punchy. It could be an extensive wave 5. I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. Why could this be a fifth wave? Well, as I was counting yesterday, there is a chance of this being the third wave right there. And on the higher time frame, this a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and we got the fifth wave right there. So we just turn this green, so we do have the different colors, right? To try and, map the situation. Overall, it's moving very impulsively. Most classic scenario. Yeah, this has to be, has to be the possible scenario here. So instead of shorting right now, as we are above the weekly level, we're not rejecting from it. So I am looking for the price to either come up and maybe just kiss the $100,000. Then I will be interested in the reaction here, right? What do I need for a reaction? Well, we could aggressively short the 7/8 Fibonacci touch, sniper short, stop loss exactly at the 7/8, be defensive. Could we have a pullback and then another attempt, get stopped out at break even, right? I'm out of the position. If we're breaking above here, I don't want to be in a short. I don't want to hold a short in negative. No. I need the price to get back down, reject from the high, entry point, stop loss. Liquidity is being grabbed. We get the movement down and start being defensive again. And then this might be the one that actually rolls down, right? This might be the one that actually rolls down. So we got a few attempts, right? This is the reaction zone. And this is how I'm planning to trade it. Just like this zone right over here. We've got beautiful reaction exactly at a level that we were very much aware in the Legends trading community. We got a pullback of over $1,500, right? You can scalp this. You can be very defensive. You got a bit of choppiness. I attempted another short here early this morning at this range, okay, with these double tops, double triple tops, stop loss at the high, movement down, be defensive on the news, stopped out, okay, out of the position, not interested in holding here a position in the loss, right? No way. So I am expecting this zone to get a reaction area, right? And there is a reason why. I mean, this would be a very extensive fifth wave, but it's possible. we're getting most of that liquidity being swept. Okay, so this is the area where I want it to dance around. This is the dancing area, right? If I know the dancing area, I want to dance. But if I don't know the dancing area, there's no dancing for me. Okay, so the dancing area is this one right there, just round about the $100,000 range, give or take a few $100s down, up. We want to check that volatility just because I know and I'm aware that that is the value area high. Very good, solid level with the 7/8 Fibonacci from the highs to the lows. Okay, that is the zone, 99.8K. Let's check Fibonacci retracement from all-time high to the low created on Monday. That's going to be interesting because we got a fib level here from high to the lows. We're at the 50% Fibonacci at the moment. Getting a smaller reaction on the lower time frame, right? That's Fibonacci from all-time high to the low on Monday. 50% is what is creating a slight little reaction right now, but it's not a level of confluence that I would even attempt a short. Not on its own. 50% in the middle here of the zone. Not too interested, to be honest. Much better level, the 7/8 from this last move down. Let's take a look at anchored VWAP. Anchored VWAP, I think we're very much above the anchored VWAP from all-time high. Let's check the anchored VWAP from all-time high. Oh yeah, this was getting the reaction here throughout the last day, right? Well, throughout today, basically. Tuesday and early this morning, anchored VWAP from all-time high. We got a beautiful rejection right there from the anchored VWAP. We got a rejection here, broke out, support, movement down, and we were acting as resistance throughout today and broke out. So we don't have any major anchored VWAP. Anchored VWAP from this high was very much broken a long time ago. We will get, look at the anchored VWAP. Anchored VWAP from big pivot highs and lows. It does really provide some resistance. Look at this. Anchored VWAP from this high. Resistance, resistance, breakdown. Very, very nice. So we don't have any major anchored VWAP resistance from the highs. So what we got here is value area high. We got this value area high providing resistance right over here, as you can see in December. Could it be a failed breakout and a back test? It's very possible. We love these pivots that have a failed breakout. $100,000, we know it's a round psychological number where we either smash it or we either reject from it, right? Like we did here, like we did here. It's a big, big level. We did smash through here, but overall it was a fake out. What a devastating correction last week, right? With that movement. We were very much aware of this scenario, guys. Very much aware. We were not too bullish on this breakout. So we're going to have to pay attention here. Going to have to pay attention. For the moment, we're going up, legends. We are going up, and there's no shorts to be taken just yet. So that is one scenario. The dancing zone. We're getting up there. Let's see how we do react. Let's get the 7/8 Fibonacci ready, because you might get one quick little pullback from the 7/8, which is exactly where we do have the value area high. Let's see. We're going to zoom in. Interesting area right over here. This is the dancing zone, dancing area. Let's see how we react at that area. Let me just double check here if we do have a weekly, or no, we don't have a weekly, monthly. Let's double check here. November high is there. November high. Now, when we do zoom to the monthly chart, we got a bit of a mess right now. We do have the high of that wick, right? The high of November is right there. We can consider that level as well. It's exactly where we have the 7/8 Fibonacci. Right, we're coming up to that zone. So we're just remaining patient. This is no time, guys. No time to jump into a long, in my opinion, because you're going to have a situation here with any pullbacks. Or this is no zone to enter a short. It's a no trade zone. Let's leave it that way. Easy to understand. For me, it's a no trade zone. I don't want to jump into a long. Been compounding the long already. Would be happy to take a bit of more profits from that. You know, when we compound into a long position, we just add and we're very defensive. We take profits on the way up as well. As we're moving up pretty aggressively, we do hold on to the long position. Make sure to take advantage, guys. Weeks has a competition going on. You do get an incredible bonus. It's highly liquid. You just need an email and a password, legends. You got the biggest bonus available down below in the description. The more you trade, the more bonus you're going to get. Okay, check out Weeks with a link down below, guys. You can also trade on Bybit or Bluffin, but Weeks is the best alternative right now to Bybit. Okay, just with an email and a password, you're signing up. So if I do miss the top for a short, right? If I do miss, you know, if we do get the price action reversing at some point, all right, we do just get the price, you know, say that we don't hit that level or that we just moon, but just for an example, I need a clear, strong rejection, all right? I need a clear movement down. I need a clear, powerful movement down in a three-waver to actually understand that we have had the first big corrective move, right? The first big impulsive move, not corrective, okay? This will be the moment that I'll be interested in shorts. I don't care if I miss the top for a short. I need the weakness. I need the first leg down. The first leg down after forming 5 waves. You want to pay attention to the bounce, okay? Because there is a huge liquidity pocket here that we've left right now, and you can see that with the liquidity map. And it's not really, it is a liquidity game, all right? It is a liquidity game, but we need to take into consideration the waves. And as we do see the massive amount of liquidity at $96,000, $95,000, it does make sense for the price to at some point come down there. Now, I would like the rejection to, first of all, get an aggressive move down and get a bounce, right? If we haven't claimed the major lows on the first movement down, then what we want to get into is the third wave or the C wave, right? This is the wave that we want to get into. We always want to try and attempt as traders getting into the third wave, right? If we can get into the first wave, then absolutely phenomenal, right? We did manage to get into the first wave up here on Monday based on the daily level because we had the possibility that that fifth wave was coming into resistance, into support, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C flat and back down and then maybe up. It doesn't matter. We were interested in catching the long here at the support with good risk management. This is kind of a similar scenario right now where, hey, could we see this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there? Very much a possibility, right? The best zone to speculate on that level is the value area high and the 7/8 Fibonacci, which is exactly where we have the November highs. So it's going to be an interesting level. That's a level that we did reject here, okay? We did reject from this level. It has been a proven resistance zone, and it's the $100,000. It's $100,000. Nice round number. You either smash through the level or you get a major rejection. So it's going to be very interesting to see how we get there. And that is where I want to see choppiness. If we do not get any choppiness, let's go, baby. We're absolutely mooning. We're absolutely mooning then. There is one case here where in this fifth wave, we have formed a double 1-2 right there. 1-2, 1-2. This is something that we were talking about in the legend. We're just with the third wave right now. and then we're going to form 4-5-4-5, and then we're going to pull back down, right? So yeah, it could be a bit complex for the moment. It could get choppy here. We could be very wicky. And this is what happens when you, inside of a new movement to the upside, and you form lots of micro waves. This is what happens when you do form micro waves to the upside. 1, 2, higher lows, higher lows, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? You get these micro waves up if you formed micro waves on your first wave. The 4, 5s are micro waves. The 1, 2s are micro waves. The third wave, the most explosive. So could this be the situation right now where we formed bang, 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 still higher low right there. So you got a double 1, 2 possibility. And now 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. And then we start rolling down to finish that fifth wave. It is the zone to do so. Anyway, this area is the zone to create that choppiness. So we need to remain a little bit patient with the green box. And if we missed out in shorting the top, right? If the price just suddenly right now boom, 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 starts breaking down, hold your horses. Hold your horses. We are looking for a bounce. And that bounce, if it is a 3-waver, it's very choppy. We have high volume here. We want to be in that wave. We want to be in that third wave or C wave. It doesn't matter. I want to try and get in once I see the sign of weakness. I won't be shorting the top. I missed it. If I want to short a top, I want to see what happens here. Okay, being very defensive. But if I don't short the top, I will try and attempt and short the third wave or the C wave if we reject now in the next coming hours, right? If we do get a good pullback of a few $1,000s with high volume, oh my goodness, those bounces that I'm going to be looking at are going to be the moment to look for a short. Okay, especially back testing the weekly possibly, right? Back testing the weekly is a possibility. Let's take a look at VWAP. VWAP is there. This could provide a little bit of support. But overall, I need to see a boom, a nice breakdown here. Boom, boom, boom. And then the bounce is going to be the moment that I'll be... If we start chopping here, then I'm looking for the bang back down, right? So if we do not short the top, it doesn't matter. We'll try and short the third wave or the C wave, right? Either a third wave or a C wave. We'll try and short the next leg to the upside after a confirmation move down, right? We need that strong leg down. So let's see how the price moves in the next coming minutes and hours. You know, this news has definitely pushed up the price. ETF outflows giveaway. Yes, that is very true. Let's take a look at the inflows or outflows, right? We bet yesterday, I bet, right? I did bet that we were going to get inflows today from yesterday, right? And if we had outflows, I was going to do a live $500 giveaway, guys. All right? Let's do it again, right? Let's do it again. I can say that tomorrow, if we do have outflows, right? Let's do it till I'm wrong, and then we'll just do the giveaway, okay? But what was the flows, right? What was the outflows? What was the flows on the ETF? It was inflows just by $9 million. Just by $9 million, legends. Almost, guys. There was inflows yesterday. Don't lie, we have it here. Don't lie, we have it right over here. Today's the 15th. This was the 14th. I said today. Yesterday, I said today. If there is outflows today, I will be doing a $500 giveaway. But let's do it again, okay? I will do a $500 giveaway on tomorrow's live stream if there is outflows tomorrow, okay? If there's outflows tomorrow, I am doing a $500 giveaway. If there is inflows, there's no giveaway, legends, okay? Live on stream, I will do a random selection here, and you need to post your Bitcoin wallet or US dollar tether. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. I will do, okay, 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗫. And I would say, drop your wallet right now. Be quick so no scammers can change their name, right? Or create an account, right? It will be done on the live, okay? I do say that tomorrow we will see inflows on the 15th of January, okay? Another inflow day. It's relatively easy to predict the flows, okay? But it wasn't for much, eh? I really expected higher inflows. Ooh, just by a little bit. Just by a little bit. Just by a little bit. Lucky dudes. It was, yeah. When we get a major bounce. Now, of course, I could be wrong right now. If we start dropping very aggressively, this could be devastating. We might see a lot of people panicking and a lot of outflows coming in, okay? So there is a possibility that I could be wrong for tomorrow, and I'm doing that giveaway. Let's go. Gailian, how are you doing? My dude, you need to refresh, in my opinion. Let's see. Let's refresh. Oh, that was right. That was right. You're actually right. 209. 209. Okay, we're going to do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. We have to do the giveaway. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was wrong. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, because I think I did check this morning. Maybe the data was not coming in. So, wow. Okay, let's do the giveaway. I was wrong, legends. It's time to do a giveaway. That was a trick. I was trying to trick you guys. That was weird. I think I was going throughout X today and, you know, taking a look at a bit of news, the inflows as well. I did see a very, very small amount. But yes, you guys are right. I had to refresh. It was a trick. Let's go, guys. Make sure to comment right away because we're going to do that giveaway, okay? We are going to do that giveaway. We are going to do it in US dollar tether, okay? Let's do it US dollar tether. Then if you want to buy Bitcoin or whatever you want, okay, much better. Then you go directly. US dollar tether, 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗫, right, wallet. Get it ready because we are doing the giveaway, all right? We are doing the giveaway right away, okay? Make sure to get your 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗫 ready, 𝗖𝗿𝗆20 US dollar tether. Right, get those comments in, legends. Get those comments in. We're going to roll it. US dollar tether, okay? 𝗖𝗿𝘆𝗽20, whoever the winner is. $500 are going to be going to your way in the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Let's go. All right, let's do it. There it is. Big, oh, hey. Big 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗍25. 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗍25 is the winner. 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗍25. 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗍25 was the winner, okay? Philip, you are not the winner. My man. Philip, thanks for joining. We've got a moderator here giving power. Make sure to drop off your 𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗆20 quickly. You need to do it quick in the next minute. I forgot his name. Where is he? 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗍25. Come on, my man. Drop it off right now. Where is he? Let me know. I need my moderator. He's probably looking for his wallet right now very quickly. Yes, 𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗆. Make sure to drop your 𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗆20 US dollar tether address right now in the comment section. Right now. I am waiting patiently. I am waiting for your address. Okay. East or west, Andy is the best. Hooray. It's this guy right over here. This is the guy that won. Here he is. I'm sure He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. Big Don 25. All right, I need him to drop the wallet right now. He's probably going crazy looking for the address. Go on any exchange. Go on Weeks, for example. Go on, if you're not on Weeks, go on any exchange. It doesn't matter, right? Anyway, if you would have had an exchange ready, you just need to go to your wallet, all right? And let's just take a bit of these profits because that's going to go towards that giveaway, right? Let's get a bit of more profits from that long because we are going to give it here from the Weeks exchange, guys. If you're not signed up to Weeks, it's just an email and a password and you already have an account for trading, okay? You got the biggest bonus down below and you got 50% fee discount. If you would have been ready on the exchange, you just go here and you go to your wallet, all right? And then that's it. You would have sent it right away. So make sure to sign up to Weeks Legends if you haven't already. He's disappeared. He has not provided the wallet. He's probably going to DM. I'm going to get a few DMs later. Anyway. Maybe try it one more time. No, because he'll come later. We'll do another one tomorrow. It's not fair. I need him to. I'm her. Yeah, but you need to provide your wallet ERC20. My goodness. Jason Casper actually told me this. If you're doing a giveaway, do it on the live. It's much better because then... Andy, here it is, says Crypto Big Brains. Okay, we got it. Is that the one, Crypto Big Brains? I can't get my moderator scamming me, right? That's not possible. It's not possible, right, for the moderator to scam me, right? I have it from Crypto Big Brains here. He saved it. Right, I have it. Let's go. I will confirm with Crypto Big Brains that that is the wallet. And we will do the giveaway later on. Okay. Let's go. Congratulations, Daniel. Exciting times. Hip, hip, hooray. 500 to give away. Is the man of his word. Absolutely. That is going to happen right in the next 10, 20 minutes. Andy, me here every stream. Pain. Yeah, I know. We'll do another giveaway. Okay. I'm going to say that we are going to have inflows. Well, imagine if I'm wrong every single day. I'm going to go broke, guys. I'm going to go broke. But we'll do it for tomorrow as well. Inflows for tomorrow. Hopefully, we're going to still continue pumping. So let's see. Anyway, let's do some Bitcoin technical analysis. I will confirm with Crypto Big Brains later on. Do we have thoughts on XRP? XRP is looking very damn bullish. Okay. XRP is flying. What's going on? What's going on with XRP? We also have ICP getting a little pump. I'm ready to sell some of my bags on ICP. Let's see if we get to $20. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. XRP is flying. There's some incredible news coming on XRP. Banks using Ripple, this, that, the other. A lot of big speculation that XRP is going to be the big thing, right? It's going to overtake. It is going to overtake. All right. Yeah, I did save his YouTube channel. All right, Devil, absolutely awesome. Thank you, my man. I hate XRP, says unknown user. I'm not an XRP fan, but some people say, especially the XRP army, that XRP is going to flip Ethereum. It needs to more than double right now. Not much, just about double the market cap from imagine XRP flipping Ethereum, the largest decentralized blockchain where you could build dApps on, right? Smart contracts, oracles, memes, everything. Imagine XRP flipping that. And XRP, it's not really, it's just, there's no ecosystem behind it. It would be absolutely insane. So I assume XLM is doing very well also. XLM following what XRP does as always. But yeah, XRP, there is the massive bullish case scenario. This is something that I was talking about with Devolt. We do have 𝗕𝗏𝘆𝗽 here. That's how Jason does it. The way to do it is have people drop their wallet address at the time you capture the name. That way you have their wallet right away. That is very true. That is very true. That's the way how Jason 𝗕𝗏𝘶𝗏 does it. However, I was saying that, right? Drop off the wallet, right? Make sure to have the wallets ready. We're going to do that for the next giveaway, okay? You're going to have your wallets ready. And I'm going to say, guys, in 3 minutes, we're going to do the giveaway. So we're going to start dropping the wallets down in the comment section, right? And if nobody has dropped the wallet, then we do another roll on the comment section. That's how we will do it, okay? 55 likes. Come on, peeps. No way. Are you serious? Are you serious? I know 𝗕𝗏𝘆𝗽 here in the comment section. Do we have 55 likes? I can't believe it. No way. Are you serious? We have 390, but we could do much better. Come on, legends. Let's get to 500 likes at least. Let's get to 500 likes at least. 𝗖, I did buy some 𝗖 throughout the last week, guys. It was one of the cryptos that I was going to buy. I don't expect a huge, massive 10x on this one, but this red box is the buy zone for 𝗖, okay? This area is the buy zone. There is a bars pattern that I do expect to play out in the next coming weeks, okay? Not even months here. We're talking about weeks. There is a bars pattern which I do expect it to play out, and it does make sense because this one only had an initial wave 1 on the beginning stages of the bull run, right? Late 2023. Leg down. We at least need one more leg up to hit the highs here, legends. And I am happy for a 4x, 5x, 4, 5x on average. I'm doing a quick flip here on this crypto, okay? Just doing a quick flip. I will be taking most of the profits at the highs. This is going to take several weeks. It might take 4 weeks. It might take 10 weeks. I don't know, right? But overall, the timings would suggest that it's going to happen in the next few weeks, right? Give or take. Give or take. So overall, 𝗖, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. This was the buy zone. We've been talking about this for the last few weeks, okay? Because we were trading above $40, and I was saying, look, it does look like that we're actually going to get a fake down from this ascending broadening wedge as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could have another leg down, very possible. The timing looks like it does want to get one more leg down and then potentially pump. But regardless, it doesn't matter. It's a buying zone. I don't mind buying here, 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 or here if I'm expecting it to trade above $1.20, and possibly in weeks, right? I would say maybe 2 months or so. Okay, so overall, it's a great buying zone, in my opinion. I did buy zone on the pullback, guys. We don't buy the pumps because then we're all crying, right? Then we're all crying. We want to buy these dips when everything looks absolutely devastating. That's when we buy, legends. We don't buy the pumps. Come on. We need to sell at the pumps. I want to sell at the highs. That's going to happen regardless. Because we are looking for one more wave up here. Either in an ABC, right? I mean, this only started, so it has to have more movement to the upside, right? It has to have some bull run, right? A strong third wave, but I don't care. I don't trust this ferocious market. I'm looking for the highs to be taken, and that's where I'm getting out, guys. Happy with a 4x, 3, 4x. I'm happy, and I'm out. All right, take out those highs with the breakout. So 𝗖 looks very good, guys. It is an awesome project. It came out with being the Ethereum killer, right? Every blockchain project, L1 project, right, comes out as the Ethereum killer. This one did come out with Ethereum killer. I just like the chart. The project is good enough for it to get a leg up, okay? So I like this area. I like the analysis. And if I am confident with the analysis, I will buy it. If it's a good project and I like the analysis, I like the buying zone, I'll buy it. So Bitcoin not quite reaching the $100,000, getting the choppiness here right now. ADA, let's take a look at ADA. Buy now, don't regret. Yeah, absolutely. Andy, any thoughts on Doge? Doge has had an epic rally. throughout the last few months. Where is it trading right now? 30 odd cents. Doge looks pretty okay. It looks pretty okay, actually. Nice consolidation. Big move up. It's holding pretty nicely, these lows. It's holding this uptrend pretty damn nicely. So I have to say, I have to give Doge a chance here for the 112. We did not take out these lows. We did not take out the lows here. Whew, just by a bit. However, we did hit the 0.88 Fibonacci. I mean, it's not the greatest. Yeah, it's not the greatest second wave 2. We want to be cautious with a wave 2 hitting the 0.88. It doesn't bring confidence. I would be a little bit aware, okay? I would be a little bit aware of this scenario. This does look very 5 wavy, I have to say. Almost hitting the high. However, almost hitting the high. This did hit the 0.88. It looks like that this high is going to be taken in the future. Not quite now, but it was a lower high here on Dogecoin. It was a lower high. So as it was a lower high and you formed this movement down, you need to count it as a wave 3. And eventually you had wave 4 and wave 5. Now, this is the thing. If we have a 5 wave move down here very aggressively, I cannot be bullish on this scenario. I mean, I'm very, very skeptical on this bounce. Very, very skeptical that this is going to increase moving up and get above the highs here. I think there could be a high chance that Doge does form a lower high, and this, it really does depend on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, we are obviously looking for a pullback, guys. Bitcoin's exploded. It moved up over $10,000 in 2 days. Are we going to move another $10,000 and hit all-time high? Let's stay real and grounded here, guys. Bitcoin will get a pullback in the coming days. So be careful with these pumps on altcoins, okay? Because I'm not too convinced. Bitcoin will get the pullback and it will drag those altcoins to the downside. So Dogecoin, with this 5 wave move up and this bounce, we want to be very, very careful. Let's take a look at ADA. Absolutely, why not? Let's do that. 110K too soon. Elliott wave. Absolutely, there is a possibility. This does look very impulsive, huh? This movement, despite any pullbacks that happen here, this movement up looks very powerful. I have to say, it looks very powerful. It looks pretty powerful. We really have to analyze the pullback that happens, right, in the next coming days. So this could be the end. This could be the end of a WXY. It could be a double zigzag. Zigzag right over here. A zigzag right over here. And a zigzag right over here. I don't want to become very bullish now at resistance with this pump. You know, I have to say, we are looking for a movement down. The question is, will the movement down be more impulsive than this movement up? Right? So if we start moving down here with very choppiness like this, this is going to be bullish. But if we move down, boom, and then bang, right? And we start doing this, well, this is not going to be looking good. If we move down very aggressively with no choppiness, right? I want to see choppiness. If we move down aggressively, then I would say, okay, guys, we've been tricked, right? We have been tricked here. Could it be, let me just get some levels and clean the chart here a little bit, guys. Let's just clean the chart ever so slightly. Let's get the November highs out of the way. Let's get this level out of the way as well. And let's put array from the highs. I actually do have it right there. This is going to be interesting because the lower high resistance, not that the lower high resistance trend line is also sitting at the value area high. My goodness, this is like it's going to be the moment, guys, to see if we're going to smash through $100,000, which I don't think is going to be the case, but this is without a doubt the resistance zone, value area high, lower high resistance. I'm interested in seeing if there is a possibility of forming a contracting move down here. I would not want to see that because that would be quite bearish in my opinion. Yeah, if we are forming this contracting move very, very fast, but if we move down here, yeah, without a doubt, I would expect a bounce up, but we would form 5 waves, right? If we do reject back down to the lows, I'm not going to like this move. I mean, we might be able to count a corrective structure instead of a contracting move down. In a WXYXZ, but we need more information. We need more information. We need more information. So anyway, for the moment, price is moving up. For my next trading scenario, I need the 7/8 Fibonacci to be hit. Okay, if I want to trade a short, I need to see the 7/8 at least hit. I might attempt a quick short rejection right there just to hedge against the long position, which is with the value area high and the lower high resistance, right? We got lower high resistance. We got the value area high. We got the 7/8 from this movement down. It's a big level. It's a big, big level. So let's see what happens. I might attempt a quick short attempt. However, it could get choppy. It could get choppy. Boom, boom, bang, and then reject, right? It could be a bit of a chop fest here. So we want to be careful. We want to be very, very defensive. Before you get the leg down, it's not easy, right? And if you break, then you break. And whoever's not managing risk will get wrecked. We don't want people getting wrecked here on the channel, legends. Let's go. We are above resistance line, 97.6K, 4-hourly chart. Yes, we are. We are indeed. Any entry points on XRP now? Whew. Regarding trading setups, I mean, XRP is testing the highs. XRP, let's take a look at XRP right away, legends, on the chart, because yes, we are on XRP testing the highs, almost testing the highs right over here, right? So I think it can break out. I mean, the higher time frame highs is always an SFP level. Is there any long positions? I mean, we're longing into resistance and we're getting the choppiness, right? Is there any good longs on XRP? I mean, if you want to attempt a little scalp here on this retracement, right, it is looking very, very, very corrective. I think, yeah, if you want to attempt a long trade on XRP, we did have a small little SFP. I mean, you can attempt a long trade on XRP to the highs, right? But I would be very, very cautious. You want to take profits because you got the overall higher time frame high right there from a few months ago. So, I mean, if you want to attempt a little scalp long, this is looking very corrective, very 4-wavy. It does look like that XRP. We did hit the lows. Yeah, you know what's a good level on XRP is this one right there. This is a good low. The inefficiency right there, low, that usually gets a nice reaction. That's a good level. Let's see if XRP, you got a nice high volume candle here. This is usually a good level that provides support, and looks extremely corrective. So if we hold on to this low and we get above, this would be the ideal long position for XRP to the highs, round about 2.82 cents to 2.88. I mean, if it bounces from here, we have tested this low right there, getting a reaction, right? We like the lows, guys. We like the lows to get a good entry. If you enter here right now, stop loss is here or here, not very good. If no stop loss is not an option, because if it breaks down, then we're getting wrecked. We do not want to get wrecked. So it's a little bit late here. Could it break out trade here from, I don't like it. I would rather see a sweep of the low, boop, 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 enter the trade on the reaction. There's a nice little long scalp, okay, on XRP. If we hold on this low, right? Let's see if we do get down there. Let's set some alerts here on the stream, because that could be a nice, interesting long. This does look extremely corrective. It does look very four-wavy. You got the lows, nice wave here, in a third wave, and very large, shallow fourth wave. So this would be the level to create another fifth wave. Alerts are set, guys. Remember, if you are interested in trading, Weeks is a great option. You do have XRP here. You do have hundreds of altcoins that you can trade. Check out the link down below, guys. You got the biggest bonus and fee discount, right? You just need an email and a password. You got Weeks here down below in the description. Let's go right away, because I do think that 𝗕𝗏𝘆, my man, guys, if you don't know who 𝗕𝗏𝘆 is, you need to go and check out 𝗕𝗏𝘆. You need to go and check out 𝗕𝗏𝘆. He is in the pinned comment. All right. Shout out to 𝗕𝗏𝘆. He was live earlier today. If you don't know who 𝗕𝗏𝘆 is, guys, you do have great analysis provided there. He's also a coach in the Legends trading community. Check out this handsome dude right there. Here he is, 𝗕𝗏𝘆. He's in the pinned comment, guys. You got technical analysis every single day on Bitcoin and some other coins. Shout out to you, my man. He is saying that, well done, Andy, will send it to you soon. I did send him the details to him. Okay, yeah, not to worry. If 𝗕𝗏𝘆 is sending the details, great. I never win anything. Yes, thank you, Andy and 𝗕𝗏𝘆. Big Don 25, congratulations. I will send you the US dollar tether here. Maybe not now, because it's going to take a few minutes, but 𝗕𝗏𝘆's got the details. Don't worry, it will be sent later on, okay? Let's go. Not to worry, I got 𝗕𝗏𝘆. I know 𝗕𝗏𝘆 is not a scammer. So he will be sending the details of the wallet, and I will be sending the giveaway later on after the stream, okay? Don't worry, it will be done. Umbrella Network is going down right now. Yeah, this is an altcoin that is not performing well at all. This is one of my low cap coins that I want it to do something. I mean, it's gone up a little bit now, right? It's had a little pump. Yeah, this is devastating. This is back at rock bottom levels. So a lot of the altcoins, guys, I have to say, Illuvium is another one. You know, the diversification of a few altcoins. This is why we diversify. Illuvium's coming back to entry point slowly. But a lot of them are back at the lows, guys, of the bear market, which is incredible, right? You know, you need to be in the right niche, right? Or the right crypto. I'm happy with Chainlink. I'm happy with 𝗏𝗏 Network. I'm happy with Constellation DAG. I'm happy with Cadena. Cadena is almost out entry zone. But I'm happy with a few of them. I'm happy with Chainlink, because Chainlink is still at a 3-4x on average from the buying zone of the last couple of years, which was the $5, $6, $7 area. So I'm happy with those cryptos. I know getting the 20x, 30, 50x crypto is very, very difficult, guys. Unless you get early in a good niche, right? Which has been AI agents the last couple of months. Then, you know, these are like for the long term. Illuvium and Umbrella are ones that are literally at entry zone, right? So it's a bit of a break even, right? Break even level. The ones that have been buying pumps are not they're not happy, right? This is why we do not FOMO, guys, especially in crypto, on pumps, okay? Whoever's been buying Illuvium here, right, at the beginning of the year of 2024 at $120, right? My goodness, these people that have been buying these kind of dips, this was a no-buy zone for me. The first pump that we had in Q1 of 2024, I was saying to everybody, be careful. This is the disbelief pump. We're going to get a second wave down. I mean, on many, I was not expecting such a severe move down. I was literally analyzing Chainlink, and Chainlink was the one that respected very nicely the technical analysis, right? When we do take a look at Chainlink, I was guiding myself throughout the altcoins with Chainlink analysis. Chainlink analysis was telling me that we are going to see a very strong correction throughout Q2 of 2024. So just based on the Chainlink analysis, I was saying altcoins are going to correct heavily in Q2, part of Q3 of 2024. So there's no interest in buying here in the pump. Chainlink buying zone was here. So overall, whoever bought last year, right, on that pump Q1, Q2 is not happy, right? Especially if you buy the wrong altcoins. But Chainlink, we're still good on Chainlink. Still holding on Chainlink. I do see it at $30 happening soon at some point. So not much more on Bitcoin. We need Bitcoin. There's two scenarios for me. I've taken most of the profits of the long guys. If you have been long, take profits, leave some open, right? Compound in, be defensive. If we do get a rejection, I am interested in looking for shorts, okay? I'm interested in shorts at the moment. Long had to be taken from 2 days ago, the reaction at the daily. You can compound in. This was an acceptable zone to speculate on shorts. You just need to be very defensive. It was going to be wicky, double, triple toppy area, right? Getting at the highest wick. Do not hold a short. We could moon here. I don't think it's going to be the case, but now what I am waiting is either this area to start creating the choppiness. We are uptrending very strongly, and what usually happens is people want to short, and you create the choppy volatility fest, right? And then you come down. So once we get the choppy volatility fest is where I am going to speculate and trying to catch the double, triple top area, managing risk very, very well. Because once that choppiness finishes, at some point you would expect the corrective move, right? Then a lot of people are going to think, okay, this is just a pullback right now. We're going to bounce, and then you get the breakdown, and that pullback ends up being very aggressive, right? So no rush in shorting at all. We are uptrending. I'm looking for higher. And the interesting zone is this one. That's where I want to see the choppiness and the, double, triple tops. And if we were, just because we're consolidating here ever so slightly, get a pullback very aggressively, then what I am looking at is a retracement, okay? And I'll be looking at the weekly level. Weekly is going to possibly give a guidance, right? Because we just smashed through the weekly level with the news event. We're chopping at it and then continue to the upside. If we reject with high volume here, I will be paying attention to the bounce, okay? The bounce is going to give us a lot of information. I want a nice, slow, three-wave bouncy structure, getting choppiness. If we get bearish CVD divergence, even better. That's going to be the bomb diggity, right? That's going to be the golden ticket. If we do get a leg down right now, okay, we get people longing. Matter of fact, we are, we do have some longs here. If we get the leg down and then we get the leg up here and we form lower highs and higher highs on the CVD, that's the moment that I would be interested if we're forming a three-wave choppy corrective structure to get the leg down. That's where I would be interested to look for shorts on the three-waver with bearish CVD divergence, potentially not on Bybit, maybe on the rest of exchanges. We're very close, so we could see it. We could see it. We might get the leg down here and then get the leg up on the bounce and form bearish CVD divergence. So let's see. I'm not worried about not shorting the top. I want to see the weakness. I want to see the breakdown first of all. If not, higher we go. Let's go through comment section right away. Guys, no, that's it. I've had enough. I've had enough, legends. We cannot be over 1,000 people watching the stream and we're just crossing the 500 likes. Let's get to above 600 likes, legends. No, I've had enough. We're going to take a look at Flux. We're going to take a look at ADA. We're going to take a look at some altcoins from the comment section right away. But I am out, guys. 600 likes at a bare minimum. Come on. I'm out. Yes, we made it. I can see it. Wow, that was quick. Pump up the likes. Pump up the likes. Pump up the likes. Whoop. Let's go. Avalanche. I am actually bullish on Avalanche. Avalanche as well. I have a little bit of Avalanche, and it's basically at entry zone. I can't believe it. I have a bunch of altcoins. Well, not anymore. It was almost at entry zone throughout the last 2 days with that dip. Entry zone was a little bit lower, okay? It was in this area. This was back in October, right? September. We were speculating on Avalanche on the right shoulder. There is a stream right here in October where we were like, guys, this, strongly believe that this could be the end of the wave 2. We're forming an inverted head and shoulder. We want to get into the right shoulder, guys. Forget about the breakout. We want to get in soon before it breaks out. So the overall accumulation area was, in between $25, $30 range. So still in profits on Avalanche. I'm actually surprised that Avalanche did not take out the March highs. It is what it is. I'm also very surprised with ICP. Avalanche looks good, still holding the bag. Still, guys, the strategy hasn't changed. The strategy has not changed. Still looking for March highs to be taken. All right? I'm going to start taking profits on these altcoins on March highs. Most of them are March highs, and I'll leave a moon bag, okay? We want to be defensive here. The most bullish case scenario is that Avalanche is going to form a 1-2. We're in the third wave still here, legends. Come on, boom, boom, 4-5. This is like the most bullish case scenario for the bull run. But I am aware of the bearish case, which is still taking out March highs regardless, guys. It doesn't matter. We are in bull run, even though it doesn't look like it for many altcoins. The bags I will take, because, I put some significant funds in Avalanche. I'm happy with a 2.5, 3x just to take my initial investment, a little bit of profit, and leave a moon bag just in case we start getting into that third wave very explosively. And the bull run does really happen, right, for some of the rest of the altcoins that we're holding. So Avalanche looks good. However, I will be very defensive this bull run, guys. I'm very, very defensive in this bull run because I held 75% of the entire portfolio down in the bear market, guys, except for Chainlink that I didn't sell anything. So I did take very little profits, and I know a lot of people that are in the crypto space right here in Dubai. I've met many different crypto OGs. Everybody held their bags, right? Very little profit taken in the previous cycle. I actually took more profits than a lot of people that are in the crypto space that are here, which is 25%, but it was still not a lot. So I'm a little bit more aggressive in this cycle, and realizing the bearish scenario, which would be a ABC move, and then this does not come to all-time high, just like XRP on the previous cycle, right? This cycle was XRP's cycle, right? Let's leave it that way. But imagine on the previous cycle that you do see XRP, right? And you believe that in this cycle, you are going to be reaching their previous all-time high. Lots, XRP army here, this did about a 7x. XRP did about a 7x, right? From the lows to the highs, give or take. If you did buy the bottom and you sold the top. And I can already tell you that 90% of the people that bought XRP here in the previous bear market lows, 90% of the people did not sell here, guys. I can tell you that. Maybe some smart investors, right? Some smart people, 10%, give or take, sold XRP in this area. But I can tell you that over 80, 90%, give or take, rode it all the way down for the last few years. 2021, 2022, 23, 24, right? Now they're in profits. You just hold on, guys, right? Hold on a few years, because if you are in a good project, you are going to be you're going to be profiting, basically, right? So I'm being a little bit more aggressive, especially with these different altcoins. I'm happy with Chainlink. I know Chainlink will do well regardless. It's just hold on for longer. But yeah, Avalanche, ICP. ICP is a good project. I might hold on ICP. I will hold on a moon bag. But March highs, guys, once we get above March highs, I'm good. I'm happy. I'm going to take some profits. ICP. And I know most of you guys are looking for incredible profits, but I have to say, ICP is at a, I like this zone on ICP, not going to lie. ICP is actually at a pretty epic damn zone right now. Still, my average entry zone on ICP is $9, $10. So it's literally at entry zone. This is my average entry zone. This was back in October, November, before the breakout. Bought a bunch of ICP, was expecting the highs to be taken. It came back down the last few weeks. So, but this is a corrective move. I'm not scared. I'm not panic selling. You know, this is good. This is actually a pretty interesting buying zone. Again, at the accumulation, 1, 2. You got the first leg up here. It's very, very likely it's a double 1, 2. And this is going to really take off in the next coming weeks. So ICP is looking very, very good. It's a very solid project in AI. It's one of the fastest as well. So you know, this one's gonna do well, right? I'm looking for the March highs to be taken. It's only a 2x from here, but I'm happy with a 2x, and I'll leave a moon bag, right? Because you know, the question is, will it do this and then this and come into a bear market, right? Because altcoins do really, or most of the altcoins do come back down to the original lows, right? Most of them do come back down to the lows of their previous bear market. So whatever happens here, we know that we're going to get close to the lows from the previous bear market in the next bear market. It's going to happen, legend. Just understand that that does happen. So the question is, how far up can XRP go? You know, I do see it at $40, $50, $60. Okay. It's going to happen quick. We just need to be more aggressive taking profit, because at some point it will end up. It will end, right? So anyway, brother TRX, please. TRX, Algorand, absolutely awesome project. Still going to do very well. Algorand, we've been talking about Algorand for years at the 10-cent level. Algorand was epic buying zone here at 10-cent area. Big push up on Algorand. I do expect Algorand to do very, very well as well. We could get a bit of choppiness. At least take out those highs of at 60 cents. But beautiful correction. Now Algorand is pumping very nicely. We've got a bit of a double bottom scenario here. We're just about going to test the neckline. Stay cautious, legends, because I do expect a corrective move on Bitcoin somewhere in this range. All right. And once Bitcoin gets the exhaustion, right, wherever that happens, and starts correcting down, because we would expect a correction, altcoins are going to take the hit. Okay. Altcoins will pull back. Let's go. BTC is pumping. Yes, it is. It is. We are expecting higher. The only interesting zone for the reaction here is the $100,000, basically. $100,000. We're above the resistance. meaning that this for me is no shorting zone unless we get the pullback and then the bounce. Then I would be paying attention to that bounce for a rollback down, but no shorts to be taken with the news coming out and looking for this area to possibly start getting the choppiness where we could see those double, triple tops. And I would be trying to detect the double, triple top for that short, guys, being very, very defensive. And if we break out, then let's go to all-time high. But I wouldn't expect much steam here now on Bitcoin after the major recovery we've had in the last 2 days. When news, guys, news was out. News was out just over an hour ago. We did have CPI data. We did have inflation coming out as expected, but the markets did react in a bullish way. It was 2.9%, the forecast, and it did come out at 2.9. Okay, so overall the market did get a bullish reaction. 𝗞𝗄, please. I still hold a bag of 𝗞𝗄. PRQ, I think, could do very well. PRQ, this was our first target zone. This was the accumulation area on 𝗞𝗄 just about a month ago, right? This was in early December right there on 𝗞𝗄, and we were targeting the highs to take the first initial take profit, right? Holding 50% of my 𝗞𝗄 just because we got an epic entry and the initial investment is out with a bit of profits. So we need to leave a moon bag just in case things go crazy in the next coming weeks and months, right? So overall, 𝗞𝗄 still struggling with the March highs. We got a big rejection, very much expected, like many other coins, like 𝗬𝗨 Network as well. 𝗬𝗨 Network did finally an epic 5x very, very quickly, but the rejection, right? This was the target zone, managed to take profits as we were pumping here. I didn't exactly take profit here. I was actually taking profit on the pump because we broke out very explosively. So managed to take some profits on 𝗬𝗨 Network with a 4x. Only took 50% out and left 50% in. But yeah, it looks good. It just got a really big pullback on 𝗬𝗨 Network. But this looks very corrective. I do expect a recovery on 𝗬𝗨 Network. 𝗬𝗨 Network has to be one of the most insane altcoin projects out there, guys, because it is also AI agent. It's an AI, it's an Oracle, it has all sorts. When you take a look at the categories here on 𝗬𝗨 Network, infrastructure, smart contract, Oracle, layer 2, AI agent, deepen. It is a very, very good, solid one. This is why we were very aggressively accumulating at the 10-11 cent zone, saying, guys, this is going to fly and take out this high. And it did. It finally did. Finally did. So would I buy right now? I mean, I like this pullback, I have to be honest. We were taking profits here, guys. We were not buying and FOMOing in, right? Would I buy 𝗬𝗨 Network with this pullback? I mean, it does look very, it is still very downtrending, but it does look like it's very corrective. And this is at some point, it's getting a little pump today. At some point, it does look like it's gonna rocket, right? You do have a bit of a wedgy, channely. This is very, very corrective, I have to say. Wouldn't be expecting a breakout on 𝗬𝗨 Network in the next coming days. It does look very solid. Could we get one more leg down? Is possible. Not sure if I would be interested. I mean, it's like the golden pocket. I like to buy very low, guys. Regarding spot, regarding trading, I mean, a low leverage, long position. We have been rolling down here for the last few weeks on 𝗬𝗨 Network after that gigantic pump, this third week of December. It does look pretty interesting here on 𝗬𝗨 Network that we could get that breakout very, very soon. It's getting very wedgy, very corrective. Still an awesome project. I do expect this one to potentially hit $1 or $2 in this bull run, okay? So I do expect fireworks for 𝗬𝗨 Network. You can actually trade 𝗬𝗨 Network on Bybit, guys. Check out Bybit, because Bybit, you do have hundreds of altcoins. But if you can't trade on Bybit, you do have Weeks, okay? Weeks is a great alternative. You have a great bonus and fee discount. You have the link down below in the description, guys, for Weeks, okay? Let's take a look at some other coins. Let's take a look at some other coins right over here. Okay. What coins do we have in the comment section? Let's go. Let's go. We are happy, guys, with the pump. At least we are getting the spot bags recovering, right? That's what we want to see. At least the spot bags recovering. And that's what we want to see, guys. Let's go. Do we have Devil here? Super chat, hermanos. Let's take a look at the super chat right away. Let's take a look at the super chat. Super chat. Okay, we got Ondo price prediction. Let's take a look at Ondo, because Ondo has to be one of the most bullish projects that we do have as well in this cycle. So let's take a look at Ondo right away. What's going on with Ondo? Ooh, Ondo. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Golden pocket. There we have it. Golden pocket already on the chart. And this is where we're holding extremely corrective move on Ondo. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we are holding very nice this base right there. And the golden pocket from the lows to the highs. Golden pocket. You need to respect the golden pocket legends, the 𝗖𝗿𝗆𝗽𝗫 from a major low to a major high. There it is. Looks like Ondo could be seeing some pumpy action here from this zone, okay? It looks pretty bullish. Looks pretty bullish because this looks very corrective. Looks very corrective. We are expecting Ondo to start recovering here in the next coming weeks. Next coming weeks, okay? Looks pretty damn good. Maybe a little bit of volatility. Stay cautious. Maybe a local double bottom here. But it does look ready. It looks damn ready. I want to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, because Bitcoin dominance is going to give us the information. Oh my goodness. We are expecting still the altcoin, the most weighted altcoin season, right? When we do take a look here at the Bitcoin dominance, regarding the taking into consideration the 4-year cycle, 2017 was the bull run. Altcoins were popping out. XRP doing over 100x. Neo, right? Old OG crypto project. 100x, almost 200x. Same thing happened after 4 years. Bitcoin dominance. The Q1 right there in Q1, part of April as well. We had the major move down. It's been 4 years right now. And Bitcoin dominance has only been going up throughout 2023 and 2024. We are expecting a little bit of speculation on altcoins, guys, and the Bitcoin dominance to drop 10 to 20% again, so we can get that altcoin major rally, right? It's going to happen. I know it's going to be a bumpy ride. We've been knowing that it's going to be a bumpy ride. It's not going to be easy. Some altcoins are literally at bear market lows. Some of them are doing very well. Some of them are not doing that well. Most of them aren't doing that well. Okay. Only doing a 2x, 3x. Where's my 10, 20x, right? That people have promised me in crypto. Hold on, guys. Hold your horses. It is coming. It is coming. Not to worry. Not to worry, it will come. It's not going to be an easy ride, but it's going to happen very soon, and it will be fast. Okay, so 700 like plus, absolutely awesome. Let's go. Over 1,200 people watching the stream. Let's smash it up, legends. Dropping. What's dropping? The Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going to be dropping, yeah, for sure, in the coming weeks. Ooh, looks very good. Looks very good. We got the initial leg down here. And this is good, guys. This does look very bearish. Looks like Bitcoin dominance is not going to have much power here. We already got the initial breakdown. We got the initial breakdown, which is this one. And we are expecting the third wave down. Right? In the next coming weeks. This is going to be the moment, guys, where we're going to see those altcoins that are lagging behind. Chainlink is not lagging behind too much. It's doing pretty well, actually. All of those altcoins, such as ICP. ICP is one of them. I hold a huge bag of ICP. Come on, ICP. ICP, high cap, mid cap coins to get the next leg up. Finally take out March highs. Get some price action to the upside. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Harmony One. Let's go. Let's take a look at Harmony One here for Alex. Let's go. Harmony One. Also a very good project. I had an old moderator, which was very bullish on Harmony One. Harmony One had a pretty good base here. At a pretty good base, a local level of resistance that we've had in the past. Big pump, nice correction. Expecting this to hold on this area and start pumping here. We had a good base, a good strong pullback. Double bottom scenario on. Yeah, we formed a double bottom from the Monday drop. Exactly. Oh my goodness. This was mentioned. We got the line here. This was the long mentioned on a stream a few days ago. It must have been last week because this was already on the chart. I would want to see most of the setups here are left on the chart. Want to see that low being taken, as we did not take it here. If we did not take out the low here, we're probably going to take it here and then get the bounce. There it is. There it is. So the overall long position, if you wanted to long this, it was down here on that liquidity grab from the lows. Or buy on spot, right? Or buy on spot. Sweep up the lows, guys. Remain patient. This could really recover pretty nicely to the highs right there. This is the box there. I do expect Harmony One to be hitting maybe in the next coming days. Bit of a double bottom right there. Nice correction. It looks pretty damn good. Would be expecting an attempt in hitting the highs here at 3.3 cents on Harmony One. We're getting a nice move up here. So it looks pretty good. Let's go. Check out all-time high. Should I sell my XRP? Ooh, what a question. I would say, you know, XRP is getting a lot of hype. That is for sure. We're getting a lot of hype on XRP. XRP is almost at the highs from December. The question is, will we double top? Will we double top on the highs of XRP of December on XRP, or will we break out? That is the question. Overall, there is a chance. I think XRP will manage to break the all-time highs. Okay, it will attempt to break it at least, right? But I would definitely be selling some XRP once it hits all-time highs. That's without a doubt. Okay, without a doubt, I would be wanting to sell some XRP here at the highs. So yeah. Because, yeah, we could push up ever so slightly, but if we get to $4 or $5 on XRP, take it as a gift. Take it as a gift. That's already a 10x. It's a 10x for a high cap crypto. You get, you know, it's going to be getting to 300-400 billion market cap. Yeah, absolutely. XLM as well. XLM as well. Yeah, XLM is doing very well. We can see XLM doing very, very nicely. Lagging behind ever so slightly from XRP, but I would expect XLM to have an attempt to hit the highs here of December as well, as XRP is pushing up. Okay, XLM is doing relatively good, moving up here very nicely. Moving up very nicely, so looks pretty damn good. Legends. XRP pushing hard at the moment. It is. It's just about to test the highs from December. So now the question is, will it break out from those highs, or will it wick up and get a corrective move, right? Oh, there it is. It is breaking out. It is attempting to break out here, XRP. This is the previous all-time high of the bull run in 2017, right over here. It looks like it wants to come up and hit that level. My goodness. Anyway, let's go. Let's scroll down. Axie Infinity. Dips are gifts. Yes, yes, they are. Take a look at 𝗖𝗿𝘆, please. Thanks, Andy. God bless. Jules, let's take a look at 𝗖𝗿𝘆 right away. What a recovery here on some altcoins legends. We did not need to panic sell. Oh, this one's... What's going on with this one? 𝗖𝗿𝘆. Oof. Yeah, something's not quite doing well with this one. This one's... Is it this one? 𝗬𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗫? 𝗬𝗿𝘆𝗽𝗫 has migrated to an old contract to a new contract. There's some migration here on say. What can I say about this one? This just does not look too great. I mean, it is below the bear market lows, right? This one was launched in 2023. This could actually be an epic buying zone. I have no idea about the project, but if you're excited of buying something cheap, well, this is your moment, right? I have no idea about the project. It might be a failing project, but overall, it's not recovering that well looking at the chart. But you could arguably discuss that, yeah, maybe this is the zone. How many altcoins have we seen coming down to the lows of, the bearish trend from last year, right? They dip down beneath the lows and then they recover massively. We got CRV as a classic example. CRV right there, right? We had the creator liquidating tokens coming down here to the bear market lows. I mean, let's see if we do get this one loading up. Yeah, there it is. Right? Bear market lows back down. Also, waves is another example. Waves is another example, recovering quite nicely throughout the massive dip. Coming down to the bear market lows and then recovering, right? So could this be the same case for 𝗖𝗿𝘆, right? Where the selling pressure has basically got exhausted. It's a very low cap coin, okay? It is a very low cap coin. It is available on Bybit. It's listed on Bybit. So overall, it might be a legit project. I have no idea about the project. If you want to trade it, you do have it on Bybit, guys. Check out Bybit, link down below. You do get a $500 airdrop. It's, for me, the best exchange. A great alternative to Bybit is Weeks, okay? Weeks, you get a good sign-up bonus. It's, great alternative. You just need an email and a password to sign up on Weeks, okay? You got a great fee discount as well. Not much more, guys, I have to say with Bitcoin. Just waiting for the choppiness in this range. Stay cautious because, if we do get that corrective move, which I do expect eventually, once we start hitting some resistance and getting some choppiness, right, then altcoins will get a pullback, okay? Not much more to say. Thank you very much for joining. Do we have a super chat here, legends? I don't see a super chat. Ondo, yeah, we got Ondo. So thank you very much for joining. We'll be back with more tomorrow.